Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Wednesday, June 24th, 2026, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mixed today. The S&P 500 index declined by 5.55 points, closing at 7,359.90, continuing a three-day downtrend. Meanwhile, Dow 30 index rose by 182.6 points to 51,848.90, showing a very strong positive trend with some upward volatility. The Nasdaq Composite index recorded a slight decline at 25,476.64, with advances barely outnumbering declines for one day. For the Russell 2000 index, it was a decisive advance day with 1,169 rising stocks compared to 612 falling, highlighting continued strong positive momentum. With continued gains, the Russell 2000 index posted a notable year-to-date total return of 20.34%. The S&P 400 Midcap Index is close behind with year-to-date returns of 14.63%. Both are climbing steadily. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 Index's slight decline marks the third consecutive down day. Industrials led the charge today, closing at 1,525.93 with a 1.1% gain, continuing a very strong positive trend. Utilities also impressed, gaining 1% to 463.1 while demonstrating upward volatility and 4 consecutive positive closes. Real estate and consumer defensive sectors posted modest gains amid generally positive momentum. The energy sector struggled with a significant drop of 1.7%, closing at 816.58 amid downward volatility and a downward breakout after being flat. Technology experienced a slight decline, closing at 6,584.20, marking a three-day decline as it continues to reflect a mixed positive trend. South Korea's iShares ETF soared 2.6% to end at 197.24 amidst a mixed positive trend. Switzerland's ETF also performed strongly, registering a 1.1% gain at 62.19, breaking out upward. Other notable mentions include India's ETF rising 1.1% to 49.61 and Ireland's ETF with a sustained very strong positive trend. YTD figures reveal South Korea's impressive return of over 102%, leading the global pack. Switzerland's ETFs showed decent upward movement with a positive year-to-date trend at 3.72%. Despite negative short-term outcomes, India displayed determined monthly growth with recent upward momentum. Today in the technology sector, Apple closed at 293.17, down by 1.13 and marking its third consecutive day of declines. Alphabet similarly saw a decrease, ending at 345.2, losing 1.5 today. Both companies are experiencing mixed trends with Apple's remaining somewhat positive, while Alphabet's is trending more negatively.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently priced at 60,744.28, dropping by 1,900.58. It's heading down 2 days in a row, nearing a one-year lower close, with a very strong negative trend and strong downward volatility today. Meanwhile, Ethereum stands at 1,612.72, shedding 52.32, also experiencing significant downward volatility. Lastly, Dogecoin is notably down 4.2% on heavy volatility. Observing returns, Bitcoin faces a tough week, posting a negative weekly return of 3.94%. Ethereum records an even larger weekly drop of 5.4%, while Dogecoin has tumbled 8.12% for the week. The downward pressure is clear across the crypto landscape with high volatility.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is demonstrating strength today across major currencies. Against the euro and pound, the greenback climbs, showcasing a very strong positive trend and increased volatility. Notably, it approaches new highs against the Japanese yen, following a breakout in price. The dollar also maintains its upward trajectory against the Swiss franc and Australian dollar, strengthening over multiple sessions and signaling further momentum. Overall, the US dollar continues on a compelling upward path across the currency board.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.